Your stainless steel sink is covered in water spots, scratches, and dullness. Here's how professionals make it shine like new. Hard water leaves spots, food particles create buildup, and regular wiping just spreads the grime around, making it look worse. Step 1. Rinse the entire sink with hot water to loosen debris and grease. Step 2. Sprinkle baking soda all over the sink. It's a gentle abrasive that won't scratch. Step 3. Use a soft sponge or cloth to scrub in the direction of the grain, never in circles. This prevents scratches. Step 4. For tough stains, make a paste of baking soda and water, let it sit 10 minutes, then scrub. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly with hot water, no residue left behind. Step 6. Spray white vinegar to remove water spots and add extra shine. Step 7. For ultimate shine, dry completely with a microfiber cloth and buff in the direction of the grain. Pro tip: a drop of olive oil on a cloth rubbed along the grain creates a protective shine that lasts for days. Want every surface in your kitchen shining like this? Our professionals deep clean sinks, appliances, and every corner you're missing. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332. Visit us at www.bearbrotherscleaning.com.